Okay, we are doing part C of Latina Christiana Review Lesson 4. And they have two columns of words and they're a little bit similar to each other. So, let's see why this is acting that way. There we go. Sorry, I think my other video had funny things at the bottom. We have habeo and habito. And they just both have that hab to them. So habeo, I have. Habito, I live. Like habitat. Remember, we used habeo, like pretend like you have a cold. I have a cold. I have. So now I don't want you to correct this lesson unless you have attempted to fill in an answer in both of these columns. This isn't a chance to just write down my answer. So make sure that you are there. If you're not, just pause it now and come back because I'm going to whip through these now. You bet-o. I order or I command. Judico. I judge. Video can go at whatever speed you need to write it. You can pause it and write it. Moveo, I move. You may be just checking yourself and you have them all right. Moneo, I warn. Think of the moaning. Somebody's moaning after they've been hurt. Watch out. I'm warning you. You might get hurt too. Terreo, I frighten or I terrify. Terreo, I terrify, I frighten. Timeo, I fear. A timid person is someone who's very fearful. Apelo, I name. Doesn't really sound anything like woko. Did I get this wrong? Oh, no. Just woko, I call. Random one. Auriga, we say that funny. Helps us remember charioteer. Charioteer. Auriga, charioteer. Aurora is dawn, when the sun is coming up. Pugno, I fight. There's the pugno. Pugno, pugnare. Pugna is a noun. It's just a fight. The fight or a fight. So this is the verb form and this is the noun form. Debeo, we get the word debt, and the translation is I owe or I ought. If you have a debt, you owe somebody. Dokeo, we get the word doctrine. This is I teach. And doctrine is the teachings of the church, or it could be other things too. Insula, island. And injuria is injury. So that J is really an I in classical Latin, injuria, and later on it becomes in the medieval times a J, injuria, and now in modern, injury. That's where our J came from. All right, so that is the end of C. Hopefully you are studying really hard on all the things in this chapter for our big review test. And our second code word is this one. And you need to write that code word down in order to get credit for it. So, good luck studying. Have fun this week.